Okay, now for the second layer. You want to solve these pieces, these middle corner pieces. The ones with yellow stickers, they are gonna go on the bottom, so I'm not gonna pay any attention to those ones. I'm gonna pay attention to the ones with two different colors but not yellow. So this one has orange and blue, so this one has to go in between the orange and the blue. There's a simple algorithm that transfers a cube from here to here. So what you're gonna do is, there's a blue red one. It has to go in between the blue and the red, so it has to go here. So it has to move from here to here. What you're gonna do is, the color that's facing you, put it under the correct color. So this one's going to determine what color this side is going to be. Put it below it. Have it. You can do it from two sides. If it would be from here to here, you would be doing the algorithm from here. If it's from here to here, you would be doing it from this side. So I'm going to show you from this side now. Right. Clockwise. Bottom counterclockwise. Right clockwise. Bottom counterclockwise. See the white one showing up here. One more clockwise from the right. Then bottom clockwise. Right counterclockwise. Bottom clockwise. Right counterclockwise. And then you see the cube has moved from here to here. Then we're going to look for the next one. There's green and orange. It has to go in this one, orange, green. So the side that's facing you, the color that's facing you, put it in the correct position below the green side. Hold it to your right. Right side clockwise, so you see it moving from here to here. Bottom counterclockwise. Right clockwise. Bottom counterclockwise until you see the white one popping up here. Then one more clockwise for the right. Then twist it back counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. Now it's moved from here to here. So now we have two more sides. We're lucky that there are no colored pieces in here, but if that's the case, you can just put this yellow one in that position. So just replace it with that and it will come to the bottom, or it will come somewhere here. Okay, blue, orange. Now from the other side, blue in the correct position, below the blue side, orange, it has to go from here to here. So from the other side, it's basically the same thing. Move it into position, clockwise, left side counterclockwise, right side clockwise, left side clockwise, right side clockwise, until you see the white one popping up here. Left side one more, and bottom back, 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 back. Now it's in the correct position. So one more. Look for it at the bottom. Red, green. Put it below the red. It's another one that has to go from here to here. So hold it to your right. It's on the right side. Clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, white one more clockwise, and back, 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 back. So now you have the complete second layer. What I just said, if there's one that's flipped, so orange is here, blue is here, just replace it with a yellow one. I'll just do that. Put it in the slot. White one more twist. Back, 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 back. So now you've put that yellow one in here, and yeah, the piece has moved there. So now you can put it below the orange one. It has to move here. Put it in the correct position. 1, 2, 1. Right, the white's here. One more. Back, 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 back. And then you have the complete second layer.